SMF or sealed maintenance free battery is also known as sealed lead acid battery and wall regulated lead acid battery VRLA. When fully charged, it may have a voltage of 13.6 volts or so, and when you are discharging it, using it, the recommendations may vary, but one recommendation which I found was that under load conditions the voltage should not go below 11.75 volts, and not under load it should not go below 11.9 volts. If you discharge below these levels, battery's lifespan and capacity may be reduced. For each battery, you have to check the battery's data sheet for exact values. And why difference for load and without load is that voltage will drop slightly when it is under load. That is why the cutoff voltage is lower when loaded compared to the battery voltage without a load. We have to monitor the battery voltage regularly, and many of the chargers may have a state of charge indicator of the battery. When I bought a solar charge controller, it showed green when the battery was having good voltage, and when the battery voltage dropped, it became almost golden or yellow in color. I have not discharged below that, so I don't know whether it will become red if you discharge more.